Hello, my name is Evan Hennis. Today I will show how I set up an environment in Anaconda on Windows 10 to assist in my TensorFlow version 2 testing. The first thing I want to do in an Anaconda prompt is to create an environment. That's a simple conda create -n, and I'll do demo and make sure I'm using Python 3.6 because that's what's required for TensorFlow. This will get all the package metadata, load it up, and create my environment that I need. Say yes to proceed. This will go through and download everything. And make sure you have 3.6 as the version. If you leave that out, it defaults to any number of random things that aren't ideal and won't work. So then I have to activate my environment tfdemo. Now as you'll notice in my command prompt you'll see that I'm in tfdemo. So first I'll pip install TensorFlow nightly build 2.0 preview. Now this will download everything that I need for the nightly builds, and this is the first step. Originally this is all I downloaded, but one of my projects needed the TensorFlow probability library, and within the last couple of weeks that was made available. That actually works with version 2 because there were some dependencies that needed version 1. So that's an addition that I had to make. And we'll let this download the wheel and start to install everything. As stated earlier, I need to install the nightly build of TensorFlow probability. After that, I need to install pandas because everyone needs pandas. I'll then install Seaborn to do some of the comparison graphs that I've done in a couple of my TensorFlow projects. It just kind of shows how the data is broken down. Finally, I'm going to install a plugin that lets me switch to this environment in my Jupyter notebook. Now, after all of this, you'll notice I can go to my Start menu, expand Anaconda 3, and you'll see my TF demo in the Jupyter notebooks. I can go directly to this, or I can open an existing notebook and switch to it in the top right. And that is my simple video on how to create an environment to get you testing in TensorFlow.